Born from decades of expertise, Nightingale is a leap forward in illuminating healthcare spaces. Our luminaires embrace the power of light and work seamlessly with control systems at the fingertips of those who give and receive care. From lighting exam rooms to unobtrusive observation, a simple touch provides optimal illumination that fills the patient room. We have reinvented light fixtures, redefining layers of light for harmonious environments with one purpose: to respond to patient preferences and transform light from a practical consideration into a feeling of wellness. In this world, layers of light are purposefully designed to contribute to better experiences, to assure that the way is clearly illuminated. We create soothing and caring environments that attend to the well-being and needs of practitioners, patients, and families. We envision a future where lighting is driven by one purpose: to help human beings at their time of greatest need. Welcome to Nightingale, where lighting is powered by purpose.